To subset multiple rows and columns simultaneously in a pandas data frame, we use three primary methods. First, .lock is label-based. You specify rows and columns by their index labels or names.
For instance, _df.lock, row_label 1, row_label 2, col_name A, col_name B. Select specific labeled rows and columns. Next, ilock is integer position based. You use numerical positions for both rows and columns, similar to array slicing.
For example, df ilock O 1, 2, 3 selects the first two rows and the third and fourth columns. Finally, ux offered a hybrid approach, combining both label and integer position indexing. While powerful, it's largely deprecated in newer pandas versions in favor of .lock and ilock for clarity. Let's illustrate these techniques using the _seaborn load_dataset. Tips: _data frame.
The first part of the code loads the necessary libraries, pandas and seaborn, and then loads the tips dataset into a data frame named df. It then prints the head of the data frame, its column names, and a few index values to give a sense of the data structure before subsetting operations begin. The section demonstrating .lock shows how to select multiple rows and columns using their labels. In this example, since the data frame has a default integer index, the row labels are simply the integers 0, 2, and 4. The columns are selected by their string names, _total_bill, tip, and time. .lock is the preferred method when you know the exact labels of the rows and columns you wish to retrieve. The section demonstrating ilock illustrates how to select multiple rows and columns using their integer positions. For rows, 0, 1, 2, selects the first three rows of the data frame. For columns, 0, 1, 2, selects the first three columns, which correspond to total_bill, tip, and sex in the tips dataset. ilock is the go-to method when you need to select data purely based on its positional index.